silver futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD approaching to negative MACD territory. We're off of overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we continue to remain in positive MACD and slightly off of overbought condition with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and still approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. As for the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $24.11. My sell target is at $26.38. My stop loss is at $23.25. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $26.83. My sell target is at $25.02, and my stop loss is at $27.79. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 67% chance to climb between 0 to 5.3%, and a 17% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5.3%, and another 17% chance to fall between negative 5.3 to negative 10.7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.